Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and in this short video I'm going to go over how to play a formula pattern scale in the key of B major. We'll cover both 2 octaves and 4 octave formula pattern scales. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to review the notes of a B major scale. So Do, B, Re, C sharp, Mi, D sharp, Fa, E, So, F sharp, La, G sharp, T, A sharp, and Do is B. And in this scale, the right hand will have standard fingering, so cross under 3, and then cross under 4, and so forth. However, the left hand is going to start on the 4th finger because of the black key. So left hand fingering will be 4, 3, 2, 1, cross with 4, and then cross with 3. So there's a couple things to keep in mind when you're playing these formula pattern scales. And the first thing is, are the hands playing in parallel motion? Parallel meaning same notes, same direction at the same time. So up or down together. Or are they playing in contrary motion, which means one hand is going up the scale while the other hand is going down the scale like this. So they won't necessarily be playing the same notes at the same time. And in this case, they're not going to cross at the same time either. So parallel or contrary motion. And then you just want to keep track of what portion of the formula pattern scale you are on. So take a look at the chart up above and you will see the formula pattern. So we're going to go up 1 octave, so that will be parallel. You see a little parallel lines like that. Then it's a diamond shape. So then we're going to go out and in, then parallel one more time, up and down, out and in, and then finally back down. So we're going to lock in the fingering and all the switches with a pattern of short and long rhythms. It's going to feel like this. So we'll start with 4 on Do, 1 on Do. Here we go. Right hand crosses under 3. Left hand crosses with 4. Now right hand continues up. Left hand switches direction. Contrary. And then they're going to switch direction again. Right hand down, left hand up. Left hand cross with 4. Now, left hand's going to continue on up, right hand turns around, parallel, up. Hands moving together and down. Left hand down, right hand down. Now, right hand's going to change direction, left hand's going to keep going down, contrary. And then back in, contrary motion. One hand is playing up in the scale, the other is playing down. Now right hand's going to continue on down. Here's our last segment, parallel. Same notes at the same time. Now we'll play that without the dotted rhythm. Here we go. Up. Left hand turns around, out. So if you take a look at the chart up above, you'll see the only thing that changes when we have 2 octave formula pattern scales and 4 octave formula pattern scales is the length of the segment. So for 2 octaves, we went up 1 octave, out, in, up, down, out, in, and down, all 1 octave. Now we're going to start lower. We'll still be 1 octave apart, and then we're going to move up 2 octaves, and then out 2 octaves, in, up, down, out, in, and down. So So let's do that, starting with 4 and starting with 1. Here we go, 2 octaves, up, parallel. One more octave. Now right hand goes out, contrary in. And left hand continues up, parallel. And down. One more octave, then out and in. Left hand keeps going down. And in, contrary. Right hand continues on down, parallel. Thank you for watching this short video on how to play a formula pattern scale in the key of B major. We covered 2 octaves and 4 octaves. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique, piano literature, and quick piano tips. Also, feel free to leave comments or questions. I will answer them, and I thank you very much for watching.